What's up, everybody? Today I'm going to give you some driving impressions of my Stage 3 Plus 390 wheel horsepower STI. Basic mod list. I'll post a link to a video of all the mods down below in the description, but as you can see, it's ETS top mount, basically full bolt on E85 with the exception of a Cobb 20G turbo. So we'll get out on the road here and give you all a few impressions and let you know if I feel that $13,500 is worth it. We'll get you all a little pull in here. We'll get down to third here. Let's see. Let's go 45. Here we go. So as far as driving impressions go on the Stage 3 Plus with the 20G, it is as seamless and as smooth as a stock vehicle. The only thing is, it's just got a lot more on the back end of things. And a stock turbo usually runs out of breath pretty quick. 20G, albeit not very much bigger, along with the other modifications, just tends to give it a little bit longer legs on the top end. You know, you can carry that wave of power further into the power band of the RPMs and such. So it's not a knock you out kind of power difference. You know, 390 wheel horsepower isn't all that much, but it is far greater than the stock setup and even a Stage 2 setup. So it's very, like I say, the tuning on it's very smooth, JR tuned, 390 wheel, like that stock clutch, stop block, all that. Peak boost, it'll spike up to about 23.5 and settle out and taper to about 22.5-ish pounds as it goes towards red line. So considerably more boost than a stock turbo and or Stage 2 and Stage 3 setup goes. Stage 3 to Stage 3 Plus is mainly you know, the turbo and stuff like that, with Stage 3 being fuel upgrades and such. So like I say, as far as driving it goes, just more power available, especially with the 20G. I get boost 3,300 3,400 RPMs. You know, she's building pretty good. And like I say, it starts to taper out further down towards red line. Of course, it's not a very big turbo. I get you all on one of my favorite roads here close to the house. So I say the car's a hoot on the road. Oh, dead raccoon, hang on. The car's a hoot on the road. I really do feel that at about 420, 430 wheel horsepower, that would be the perfect street horsepower for an STI to have an absolute blast in. Like I said, 390's no slouch for the STI to have fun in. But 420, 430, 440, that would be an absolute hoot. But let's get up through here, have a little fun, let you hear it a little bit. Traffic. Alright. Woo! Let's say that 20G gives it a little bit more legs up on the top. And then even in the curves, the tight stuff, you know, it's just still the same old SUV, no but down low. It's a little soft. You know, it picks back up right around 32, 33. No problem. We're in the curves. Woo! That's fun. So I do love me some mountains. Got stuff rolling around in the back. Here we go. Woo! That's what I'm talking about. Say it's is what I wanted it for, was this kind of stuff right here to play with on a Sunday morning. It's not gonna win any drag races, like I say, but man, it's fun in the mountains. Here we go. And a note, that Killer B with that AWE and that Grim Speed downpipe, that's a pretty sick combination out the back. That's the end of the mountain run. Man, that was fun though, I tell you. That's why I wanted it for, just to have fun around here. But like I say, as far as the driving goes, smooth as butter, JR tune, can't beat it. Do I think that the $13,500 is worth it? I was aware that, you know, you can do it for far cheaper. Again, my impatience cost me money because I didn't want to wait for anything to come on the used market. So getting the parts used and saving money here and there cost me some cash up front. I don't plan on getting rid of the car, so make that investment. I ate it up front, and there it is. So yeah, shame on me, I guess. The money per dollar, horsepower gained, if you could do it for a little bit cheaper, yeah, it's worth it because it makes the car incredibly fun. At the end of the day, we're going to spend money on modifications, be it big or small amounts. It's just what it means to you. That's just the route I took. Do I think it was worth it? In my opinion, it was worth it to me because that's what I wanted. And everybody's different. What's worth it to me may not be worth it to someone else. And like I said, you can get by a lot cheaper by doing things differently. So to make that kind of power, you know, I've heard, you know, people in the comments and stuff say that I was stupid for spending that kind of money, and I probably was, but we do a lot of stupid stuff, so it is what it is. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like. Catch you in the next one.